Hey, Sharon.
Oh, hi.
Sure if you would come back this term. Everyone was saying you would change schools.
I almost did, but running away wouldn't fix anything. I made the mistake here, so I have to face it here.
That takes courage. Most people would hide.
Courage. I feel like everyone is judging me. Even teachers. Some won't even look me in the eye.
They are probably not judging, just unsure how to act. People don't always know how to treat someone who has fallen.
I ruined my image, a mecca. One party, one night, and now I'm that girl. The one who embarrassed herself and dragged her friends down.
Look, people remember your worst moments. But give them time, and show them your growth. That's how they will remember something else, your comeback.
I don't know how to start.
One step at a time. Show up. Be kind. Work hard. Forgive yourself. The rest will follow.
Thanks, Emeka. I needed that.
Sharon, I was hoping you would come to see me.
Sir, I've been meaning to, but I didn't know what to say.
Then just speak from your heart.
I messed up, sir. I made a decision that caused problems, for my family, for my friends, and for myself. I'm ashamed.
Shame is the first sign that your heart is still soft. That's not a weakness, Sharon, it's your starting point.
I want to do better, but I feel like everyone is watching me. Waiting for me to fail again.
They might be. But remember this. People always talk louder about your mistakes than your progress. But if you stay consistent, you will silence the doubt.
Is there anything I can do to fix my reputation?
Reputation is built slowly, like trust. Start small. Volunteer in class. Help someone. Speak truthfully. Show that you are no longer who you were that night. Over time, actions will speak louder than the whispers.
Do you really believe I can change?
I believe you have already started. Don't stop.
Sharon, you have barely spoken since you returned from school. Are you afraid of me now?
I am not afraid of you, Auntie. I am afraid of disappointing you again.
You already disappointed me, but now I want to see whether you will learn from it.
I have apologized. I have started talking to my teachers. But I know saying sorry isn't enough.
Exactly. Real change isn't in words. It's in habits.
I want to change. I have deleted my old social media accounts. I am avoiding certain friends. I even asked Mr. Bello for extra reading assignments.
That is a good start. But you have to prove that this isn't temporary. You have to earn my trust again.
I understand. Elle will do whatever it takes. I don't want to be that girl again.
Then you have my support. But if I see you slipping, I won't hesitate to remind you of who you are supposed to be.
Thank you, Auntie. That is exactly what I need.
You can sit, Sharon. I don't bite.
I didn't expect you to talk to me. After everything.
I was hurt, not just because of the party, but because you made me feel like I wasn't enough. Like studying and doing the right thing made me boring.
I know, and I'm sorry. I let pressure blind me, and I pushed you away. You were the one voice that warned me, and I ignored you.
It's okay. I forgive you, but trust takes time. I am here for you, but we will build from scratch.
That's fair. I just hope I can prove I've changed.
You have already taken the first step. Let's walk the rest together.
Thanks, Amaka. I'll never take your friendship for granted again.
Hello students. Every one of us has made a mistake. But what separates the broken from the brave is what we do next. Some fall and stay down. Others rise, admit their wrongs, and walk a better path. We often fear judgment, but forget that growth begins with humility. And sometimes, the strongest leaders come from the most broken places.
Moral lessons. A mistake does not define your future, your response does. Redemption is possible when you face the truth and choose better. Forgiveness is powerful, but rebuilding trust requires consistency. True friends give you space to grow, not permission to fall.
If you love this story, like, subscribe, comment and share for more engaging and entertaining stories.